Everybody, I'm Chief Meteorologist Ken Weathers. Still looks pretty same forecast-wise as we go through the nighttime hours and into our Sunday. It's quiet overnight. Temperatures will fall back in the low to mid 20s for most areas, and the cloud cover will be increasing, especially later tonight into early on Sunday. The one thing is, at least initially, there's a lot of dry air that the moisture has to contend with, or basically it'll be evaporating before it reaches the ground. So timing-wise, it may be a little more like mid-morning into early afternoon. The best timing we're seeing for some of this light moisture moving in that could be some freezing rain, freezing drizzle, maybe even some sleet at times. But basically just be cautious anywhere from sunrise into the mid-afternoon timing. So this is 9 a.m. You see a very light precipitation. Starts to pick up in some intensity the closer we get to 11, and then through midday as well. This is 1 o'clock. Some areas to the north, northeast Tennessee, we're still below freezing, but notice the warming trend already back towards the west. Mid-afternoon, we are fine. Temperatures climbing mid to upper 30s for most areas, even some 40s in spots, and we'll start to see a little less moisture briefly. That'll be the trend right into the late afternoon hours as well. But then as we go into Sunday night, we're talking about all rain moving through. Some of it could be heavy as temperatures will be climbing 40s, even some 50s in some spots. So let's take a look icing wise what we're kind of thinking as we go through the day Sunday. Most of this is going to be light, less than 1/10 of an inch, but it doesn't take much to cause some concerns when we're talking about ice. So areas shaded in pink, these are the areas where we could be seeing some light icing. That's why we think travel issues, especially in red shaded areas, probably a little bit more likely. So watch I-75 north through Campbell County, going up into Kentucky, further south, closer to Chattanooga. At this time, not expecting any travel concerns there. More about timing here. Again, high probability of that moisture coming in, but we're not talking about high amounts. Doesn't matter, again, with ice, but we do think especially lunchtime and beyond, temperatures will start to moderate and become warmer than the freezing mark. We're talking mid-30s as we head late afternoon. And again, rain opportunities will start to taper off until we get a little bit later into the Sunday night time frame. Let's talk about that. This is 11 o'clock Sunday. Showers looking likely overnight. This is 3 a.m. and notice temperatures well above freezing for everybody. So no concerns there. But Monday, behind the system, guess what? It gets colder again. There's not a lot of moisture, but I do think as we go through the day Monday, we'll see some light snow showers in spots. This is midday. We're seeing some very light snow. A couple of bands will move through as we go through the day. This is 4 o'clock. It's getting quite cold, especially areas to the north and right on in through sunset as well. This is 11 o'clock Monday night. Should start to wind down overnight Monday, but we still could be seeing some accumulations, some 1 to 3 inch or maybe 2 inch totals. Areas to the north, especially southeast Kentucky and southwest Virginia. There could be some pockets of 1 to 2 inch totals across the plateau and into the Smokies. In and around the Knoxville, central, southern, northern valley areas, probably 1 inch or less. I'd say less, especially Knoxville southward, but just something we'll keep a close eye on, of course, as we go through the day on Monday. So be careful, especially the first half, 2/3 of the day on Sunday. Warming temperatures overnight into the 40s and then dropping as we go through the day Monday, staying cold into next week. And we do have to watch out once again as we go later Friday into Saturday. We could see yet another storm system heading our way. So please make sure you're staying up to date as always at WATE.com.